Good morning everyone. We are on module 2nd of chapter 2, chapter 15, our environment. Today's topic is ecosystem and its component. An ecosystem consists of all the living organism in an area along with the non-living components and their interaction. There are different types of ecosystem, and they are: first, natural ecosystem like forest, deserts, grasslands, mountains, ponds, lakes, rivers and ocean. The second one, artificial ecosystem. Artificial ecosystem are made by human beings to save the extinct and endangered species. The artificial ecosystem are gardens, park, crop fields, aquarium, zoo, etc. As I told you, an ecosystem consists of all the living organism in an area along with the non-living components and their interaction. So ecosystem consists of two main components, biotic and abiotic. The biotic components are the living components like plants, animals and microorganisms. They consist of producers, consumers and decomposers. Producers are green plants which produce food by the process of photosynthesis. Consumers are herbivores which get their food directly from plants. Carnivores which get their food indirectly from plants, and omnivores which get their food directly or indirectly from plants. Last is decomposers. Decomposers are microorganisms which decompose dead plants and animals. They decompose complex organic substances into simple inorganic substances in the soil, which are again used by plants. Decomposers are known as cleaner of the environment because they act on dead living organisms and return nutrients to the soil. So they increases soil fertility, and as they decompose the dead living organism, they clean the environment by removing the debris of the dead living organism. Abiotic components. The non-living components like air, water, soil, minerals, sunlight, temperature, wind, etc. are abiotic components of the ecosystem. Ecosystem play an essential role in the human beings, or you can say that in the environment where we live. If the ecosystem is healthy, then all the species will be healthy. And if ecosystem will get affected by human activities, then it gives bad impact on the other living organism or on the living world. So basically all the components of the ecosystem interlinked with each other, like all living organism dependent on each other. In the living world where we have studied about producer, consumer and decomposers, we have read about herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. And you can see there all living organisms are dependent on each other for their survival. Thank you.